Hi, so this is my solution to CA2, and I'm gonna go through my answers. And yep. So this is my question one, and here's the answer and the graph for it. And throughout my answers, it's just the answer and the graph just beside the answer. And yep, I'm gonna go through how do you create a straight line motion. So basically a straight line motion is like um x minus 2 or these, all of them like 10 at the power of x. They are all straight line method. And question 2, this is also a straight line method, and I'll just go through this. This is basically most of them are straight line, and this is x minus 2, so it just goes gradually up. Like if x is minus 5, then it goes minus 5 minus 2, so it's minus 7, and then minus 6 minus 5 minus 4, and it goes up. And basically they're all kind of same, but I want to talk about this, that because it's on the power of 2, so even if the x is negative number, it will still be positive, so it creates a curve. And this is the power of x, so if x is minus and minus 5 minus 4 or minus, then it would go 0.0001 or even more zeros and 1, like 0. Maybe 6 zeros and 1, and it will go to infinite when it's a positive number. And and this, which is log, it's unavailable before 0, so when it's log 1, the answer would be 0. So it basically started from 1. The natural domain would start from 1 to infinity, and it will goes from 0 to infinity. That's the natural range. And on tangent, it goes the natural domain, it's all real numbers except pi divided by 2, and the natural range would be minus infinity, here minus infinity to infinity. And this is basically all the straight line methods, and I'm just gonna move this all so that you can see all of them. And this is a straight line method, and I want to talk more about this because it's why it's basically just staying on 9, and the cosine 2t, it's going through the line. So it goes from this, the first, when x is 1, when it's all going on 9, so when x is 1, it's here, and then it goes to 0.5, and then it goes to minus 0.5, then it goes from 0.5 to minus 1, and then it goes again back to 0.5, which is here, this, and it goes again from minus 0.5 to 0.5, and then it goes 0.5 to 1, and it just basically go through this line, like through and forth. And um, this is how you basically create straight line method. That And how do you create a wave type motion? It's either x or y, both of them should be moving, like they should be increasing, and either one of them should be sine or cosine to create a wave motion, because both sine and cosine, they create wave motion. And so if the y is a sine, then x should be like increasing, that it would show the curve, the wave. And and for a circular motion, you need either the x or y, one to be sine and one to be cosine, and that would create a circular motion. And in a circular motion, how do you control the radius? So this is all my answers, and I will show the yep how to control the radius. It's basically here. This 5 in front, it's a radius, so it controls where the starting point is, and also it's the radius like from the middle to the far end. This is a 5, and from 2 to here it's a 5. Oops. And how to control the center, it's this at the end of the function. It's plus or minus a number. It might be positive or negative, and it will change the center. And the speed, it's this 3. It could be minus or positive. It both works, and this is 3 times the time. If it's 2, then it's double up the time. Like maybe it takes 360 seconds to arrive the final point. But if it takes only 120, then it's like 3 times the time faster. So you put 3t here. And the starting point of the motion, it's basically 0. Normally it's 0, but or there will be a given one on the paper, or maybe you can find it through mx plus c to get the point. And that's basically all my CA, and I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.